bad, isn't it? All this bollocks.
Right.
All this just to entertain nobody.
Well, all this just to get moaned at by Nick subscribers.
Jim right, isn't it?
I get the impression he's a bit of a loner who was bullied at school.
Yep.
And sits at home alone every night in his piss-stained underpants.
Yep. And we all know he's subscribed to you, Nige. There's nothing wrong with sitting at home in your piss-stained underpants.
That was a very nice breakfast anyway.
Yeah.
It was a nice breakfast.
I like it.
Must go for the small though. I could do with a sleep now.
Why? Why would you?
Well, you sat on your sofa, so...
Exactly.
Why would you go for the
Exactly.
small ones? Sausages.
Because I'm only a small lad.
Sausages look so much better in pairs.
Come out on
we're
the
lost in a
bridge,
car park.
I've got right again past the charging points.
Oh, no exit.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's just act dumb. So that was the Bridge Calf, wasn't it?
Yep.
Was.
Fordingbridge?
Bridge calf.
Bridges,
Very nice
yeah.
breakfast.
Nice.
Yeah. 2 bridges is too big.
Bridge
too far.
The bridge too far, yeah.
That's not too big. That was just right.
My message calls this Poo Town.
Poontang?
Poo Town.
Oh.
Right.
Every time he's come through here, it's just like dog shit.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. It's a lot better now.
Tourist attraction.
Yeah. Obviously, it doesn't smell of that now, but...
I bet I didn't set my rear camera filming. Oh, bollocks.
Now it's on. It's on now.
Red light flashing?
Yeah, the screen's on.
Yeah, there's a red light flashing now.
Yep.
Lovely.
Got no display up
You're
front.
all good to go.
You got nothing, Nick?
Well, I've got a white screen, so I've got the background for the map, but no lines, no nothing. It shows 4 miles turn off. So, no idea.
Strange.
But that's fine.
I got it up on the screen, shall we? Anything coming?
Yeah.
I can't see past it.
Yeah.
Can I let this out?
You got a lot of choice.
Oh. Right. Sammy Millers.
Multistrada. Come on, Mr. Navarra.
Okay.
Nice little pub on the corner in Crow.
Is there?
Old Oak, I think it's called, with the elm tree. I'm sure it's named after a tree of some sort.
See, the thing is, Nick, if you come out with us, you'll get fat because I know all the cafes, and you'll get pissed because Steve knows all the pubs.
Exactly.
Fat and piss.
Perfect.
So what
That sounds like 2 life goals to me.
which is better for you? English breakfast or beer?
It is that.
Well, I'd imagine if you mix them, that's the best effect.
I think so, yeah. Everything in moderation.
Yeah.
Where's the weir? Where's the weir? There it is.
Yes.
Look at it. All electric.
Electric things, isn't it? Yeah.
And aren't they some
There's
bloody money?
something that doesn't quite add up in my mind about an all-electric camper van.
No.
Just
You know,
seems
now
wrong,
in the
doesn't it?
wilderness, and you need to charge.
And most campsites won't let you plug in an electric vehicle to their 60-amp hookup because they can't take it.
No.
So how the hell do you charge it?
I mean, if you go out in a petrol engine camper van or a diesel, at least you can take a couple of tints of diesel with you all clever.
Never mind.
It's not
it.
if you can put some Duracell in the back, is it?
At least they sleep securely in the knowledge they're doing their bit.
Yes, yeah.
Load of bollocks.
A lot of camper vans have diesel heaters.
Yeah.
Well, that's another reason to flap your battery, isn't it? You know?
But that's fine, because as you say, they can sleep safe in the knowledge that they're simply displacing their carbon and pollution to a poorer
I'm
country.
going to let these bikes over.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Fuck you
I
then.
have noticed I have noticed. He nodded to me.
Did it?
Yeah, he nodded this way. GS wanker, see?
You may have insulted my rear end numerous times, but you never insulted the front end of this bike.
No, that looks all right. Apart from the yellow headlights.
Here we go. I think that comes down.
He's looking in the mirror and he's thinking, I'm sure my cataract's done. Everything looks yellow.
Well, looking at your two bikes is like my eyesight. So the left eye is a bit yellow still, and then you've got the bright clear LED side.
Nice calf down there on your right, nice.
Hey?
Nice calf down there, Roma. Yeah, they got one in Wimborne. Not yet, no. Another 20 minutes, maybe.
I say, look at the thatch.
Bit of thatch.
Nice bit of thatch on top. Maybe as nice as my bit of thatch on top.
It's still pretty muggy out, isn't it?
Just a bit.
Well, didn't go fully textile today.
We ain't slowing down for no bastard because he got a Land Rover.
Yeah.
Got your dark visor down?
I haven't got a dark visor.
Have you not?
No.
Hey!
Fucking peasant. You didn't tell us that before we started riding with you. Right, how many? There you go. Look, horsey straight away, look.
My little dog, I'd bring her home a pony.
Well, I'm not bloody itching it.
Then it could be your little pony.
Yeah.
People
Surely
moan
we can
about
get it on the back of your sofa, Steve.
Get at least one on. People moan about the 40-mile-an-hour speed limit here, and I find it just so peaceful and relaxing.
Yeah.
Right.
That's
I wouldn't.
plenty fast enough through here.
It is, yeah. I wouldn't want to hit a horse any more than 40 miles an hour.
I wouldn't want to hit a horse fucking full stop, that'll do it.
It would, wouldn't it?
And I should imagine said horse would be extremely pissed off.
Just a little bit.
When he finds he's got a BMW R1250 GS wedged between his ribs.
Then he'd be on. Did you know, Steve, that Nigel's bike has got hill start?
And it works down. Do you know what I've just done? I've just pulled the comms cable out to record you lot again. The camera on my chin bloody hooked round it and pulled it out. Well, that was good. It didn't record that smut anyway.
What about your hill start?
No, about that woman's penis. I can't see. I've got a sofa in the way again.
Got two cars coming. Burley in it.
It's a bit early. It's not nice to go, isn't it?
A bit early. Oh, I've just forgotten. This is my video. I'm allowed to talk on my video. Fuck your subscribers. I'm talking on my video.
A friend of mine owns Burley Fudge Shop on the left.
The Fudge Packers.
Yeah.
I said it was that big hard motorcycle gang, wasn't it? The Burley Fudge Packers. Here, there's an horse in the road up here.
Is there? Oh no, it's Nige.
Yep, he ain't moving for no bastard.
Is he upright?
Yeah. Another one on the pavement there.
That's a football Nige.
I just pulled that. I said I pulled that wire out again.
Have you?
Yeah.
Just when you was getting insulted again.
I plugged it back in again while I was sat there for a week waiting for you two.
That's the joy of having, my route app. It works on your CarPlay and your phone, doesn't it? So as long as both work and you've got some sort of navigation, haven't you?
Yeah, apart from when your phone goes into extreme mode.
Yeah.
And to open it, you have to use your fingerprint.
Have you not got tips on your glass then?
Yeah, but they're not fingerprints.
Yeah.
It actually uses the fingerprint to ID to unlock it.
Oh, got something in my bloody ear hole.
And he's had to turn off Face ID because his phone kept going, fucking hell, don't mean nothing to me.
Yeah.
Fucking point that thing at me.
I'm going to pull up a minute.
What have you got in your ear?
Yeah, I've got something crawling in my ear.
Ooh.
And it's definitely not a brain cell.
Yeah.
They're all gone.
No, that one's diminished.
Left that one at home.
The last one. We'll see you down there. When do we ever have to pull over for me to sort things out?
Oh, quite. About every fucking 100 yards.
I was going to pull in there, but it looked a bit damp.
Yeah, you're right.
There's a bus stop up here.
You are riding an adventure,
Well, we're going left here.
Forever pulling it out.
Tugging on me wire.
If we all had Mic 2s, you wouldn't have this problem,
You
Nige.
wouldn't have any of this.
Well, at least if I put my Google Maps up, I can see something.
Yeah, again, that's the other good thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Google Maps on your phone will turn off, won't it? Whereas this, it's on CarPlay, it stays on and you can see the road.
Now, see, then, Steve, you were going, yeah, at least you got...
Okay, I'll buy a bloody Mic 2 then.
Are we ready?
That was very good. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I mean, that won't stop that. That's because of our comms connection. What a Mic 2 will do is just record you very clearly.
Yeah.
I do realise you'll cost me a fortune, Nige.
Look at these! Vintage tractors. Beautiful. And there's a Mrs. driving hers.
Bless her.
Lovely. We got a wave off the wife.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I stuck my thumb up her.
Did you? How was it for you?
She smiled.
I took two more bumps in a row and I would have been done.
I always wonder, when these horses are there wafting their are they farting? When
Of
they
course.
waft their tails around?
No, Nige, they're not.
You can be sat in traffic jams, and yet Todge's Tours brings you to lovely places like this.
Yep.
Exactly.
You're going twice as fast with no stress.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's all right, neighbour. You'll be all right.
All those fields, they got a shit on the verge, haven't they, eh?
Yeah.
I know. Look at these fenced off fields. They put the horses on the outside.
Yeah, these ones are here going to them. Na, 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 na.
We're free, you're not.
Yeah.
And they're going, yeah, we get the posh food.
That's a big pile of shit, isn't it?
That is.
You
On
looking
your
at my
right,
pocket
guys.
again?
No, on your right.
Oh, it's a campsite, is it? Oh no, it's Centenary.
No, it's not. It's Motorhome and Caravan Club. They're different.
Yeah, I see.
We're getting into the technicalities now.
Oh, yeah. That got his fucking heckles up, didn't it? He got all fiery then. You fucking call that a campsite?
Well, it used to be Caravan Club, and they would not accept tents or motorhomes. And then all the people running it got old enough to afford motorhomes, so they changed it to the Caravan and Motorhome Club. They still don't do tents.
So is there a hierarchy within the hobby?
Yes. Very much so. So you get sick broke up in my ears then.
You did?
Yeah.
Yeah, but like you said, Steve.
You can say that again.
Yeah, but anyway, if we all had Mic 2s, you wouldn't need to worry about comms, would you? Because you'd only be recording or taking and recording off the Mic 2, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you wouldn't have to. I wouldn't have to have all these wires hanging out that I keep pulling out.
Right.
Right, it's just here.
But might be better off with a Mic 3 because it's smaller.
Yes.
Yes.
And
That's the only thing with the Mic 1, Mic 2s is they're quite big units to Velcro into your tin bar.
It is, but isn't the Mic 3 89 quid?
Yeah, but that's nothing, is it, to a man of your means?
And you
Sorry, that's nothing to
my
a
wife.
woman of your wife's
I was going to
means.
say, let's get this right. I've got fuck all. He was shifted a bit, wasn't he, on pickup truck?
He was. You moan at me for taking you down gnarly little roads with grass in the middle.
Wet
Well done,
beats
nice.
everywhere.
Yeah.
What are you... Oh, God. I stop on a nice wide bit,
Yeah.
and then, thank you. It's a young filly. Ding dong.
It wasn't a young filly.
Oh,
I thought you had your cataracts done.
the middle-aged lady.
He's obviously looking out the wrong eye.
She was younger than me.
I'm not so sure.
Well, you are the youngest here, Nick, so I'm going to go with what you said. I was too busy looking at a house on the left.
Well, I'd been.
Some things you can't unsee, can you?
He'll stop.
Oh, it's that Hilda.
I've only just
I wish
found
you'd have
that
said.
out. Oh, cut grass.
Make sure it
Big
doesn't pop
grass.
springs out your sofa.
Right, he's going to say, you can't come in here.
Radio on.
Oh,
You know, shut them down, you're not coming in.
Take Cardo, radio off.
Radio
Oh,
on.
there it is.
See, I turned it back on for you. I'm going to let this gentleman out. Go on. Yes, he's starting to go. That's it. Yeah.
Fucking hurry up.
Thank you. Morning. I couldn't hear fucking what
Morning.
he said. Lovely. Thank you. What's the fucking straw man doing here? Come on down. Nice.
I didn't think it was popular.
Yes. Where are we going to park then?
Bloody clue.
Should we have a look down there?
I think so,
Oh
yeah.
no, we got a man waving to us down there. Look.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm going to back in here.
okay.
I'll back it in.
There's a few over on the right there.
Yeah.
He was there going, fucking GS wanker, I'll tell him to drive in forwards. Did you say you saw Tomstc? Oh yeah, there he is.
Yeah.
You can't miss him. He's about 6'20", isn't he? Right, camera's going.
Right.
They even struggle to tick over. Look at it, everything on it is shaking.
Fucking GS riders are everywhere, aren't they?
Look who it is, people! Look at it! It's Tom's of TC!
Hello. Right.
Did you get wet?
I got wet on the Freo 3 for about 5 minutes.
We were lucky, weren't we?
Yeah. I was,
Perfect planning, I have to say. Absolutely perfect.
Literally, it was like biblical, and I was thinking, I'm going to turn around in a minute, and then literally just stopped. Yeah, mad. But yeah, I'm sort of just about dried out now, so it's all right.
Well, Steve dressed for the rain, didn't you, Steve?
He did. I was
Not
trying
like
to
us
make
sensible
sure that
people.
I didn't want to jinx it, you know. We managed to get